Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an incredible strategy that people just like you are using to generate an additional $100 to $300 a day. And by the way, this is a brand new system that a lot of people are not talking about yet. So this is your opportunity to tap into this platform and start getting some amazing results. As you guys already know, I'm always bringing you the tea. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys an amazing make money online strategy. And today we're going to be talking all about ChatGPT. So if you are in this planet right now, I'm sure you've heard about ChatGPT and how powerful this platform is and the potential that it has to generate you income online, even as a complete beginner. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very simple 3-step strategy that you can use this very moment, guys. If you're following this training, guys, you can literally implement the strategies as we go along and have your own making money online machine set up and ready to go by the end of this very short YouTube tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to be doing, guys, is we are going to be creating a product using ChatGPT, because we do need something to sell to make money with ChatGPT. You cannot make money on ChatGPT by just being on ChatGPT, but we are going to be using that tool to create digital products and also create marketing content, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys as we progress with the training. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to use ChatGPT to create an ebook. Okay, we're going to be creating an ebook in this training today. So head over to chatgpt.com, or you can go to open.ai, or just do a Google search and it should bring you to this platform. It's free, so you don't have to pay nothing to get started, which is just amazing. Okay, what we are going to be doing, first of all, is we're going to be using ChatGPT to generate some ebook titles, okay, or topics that we can potentially use to write our ebook. Now, before we even do that, it's really important to start around something that you are personally passionate about. Don't be out here just trying to sell anything because you're trying to make a quick buck, right? Because you're quickly going to lose motivation and quit before you've even started. So think about a niche that you're passionate about. Now, the top profitable niches are around health, wealth, relationships, travel, parenting, self-improvement. There's quite a few out here, guys, that you can tap into, but those are the top kind of key niches that you can tap into. And within these niches, of course, you can kind of go deeper and actually find a sub niche under this broader niches. Okay, so for the sake of this example, guys, we're going to be using the health or weight loss niche, right? So now I want to write a book in the weight loss niche, but I have no idea what topic to write my book around. So I'm going to obviously use ChatGPT, guys, to give me some ideas. So I'm going to come on here and just type this prompt. Okay, so again, you can just copy this or take a screenshot and follow the instructions. If you want to do something in the wealth niche, parenting niche, whatever the case may be, you can just change that to your niche. So please provide me with 10 profitable ebook ideas to write on the weight loss niche. So I'm going to let ChatGPT give me some profitable ideas that I could potentially write my book around. Okay. So you can see we've got keto diet for beginners, intermittent fasting. I'm actually doing intermittent fasting right now. I'm also doing juicing right now. So this is some topics I could potentially be looking into. Mindful eating for weight loss, home workouts for weight loss after 40. That's actually a good one right there. The science of weight loss. So as you can see, ChatGPT is basically providing us some amazing, content ideas in terms of what we can potentially write our ebook around. Now we can go ahead and actually, if you don't see anything here that, is closely related to what you're passionate about, you can actually, ask them to please generate 10 more ideas. Okay, you can see it's starting to bring out even more ideas that we could potentially use to create our ebook or digital product. Okay, detox diet for weight loss, right? I actually love this one because I'm actually doing juicing and intermittent fasting right now. So that's something I potentially be using, as a book title for my book. Now, what we want to do next is we want to ask ChatGPT, of course, to create a book outline based on the topic that you've decided to go with. Again, you can replace all of the sections with the book, topic of your choice. Make sure that you talk about the target audience and also highlight the transformation and the results that someone is going to get as a result of reading your book. Because when you give ChatGPT those prompts, it's actually easier for them to create something that's closely related to what you are out to achieve. Okay. So again, I'm going to use this prompt to get some more ideas here. As you can see, it's literally creating different chapters now that I could actually expand on my ebook, guys. This is insane. Okay. Okay, awesome. So you can see right here, we've got about 15 chapters now on a book right? That is actually centered around juicing recipes for weight loss aimed at millennials. Now, as you can see, a lot of the content here is now talking about benefits of juicing for millennials. This is why it's so important to be clear on your target audience as well when you're creating this content. Now we have an outline. The next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and actually ask ChatGPT to expand on these chapters, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say, now please expand on chapter 1. Well, I could do introduction, but this is just to show you guys how you can do this, right? So now ChatGPT is literally expanding on all those different chapters that it's previously created for you, okay? Now, one thing I would say is don't just rely on the ChatGPT content alone, because some of this content can actually be copyright information, because it is obtaining some of its content obviously from different sources on the internet, especially if you plan on selling these ebooks on, platforms like Amazon Kindle. They're quite strict with AI generated ebooks. So you need to be careful when you're selling those ebooks on those platforms. Make sure you're checking out the policies and your terms to see, what the rules are around AI generated ebooks. Now, the best way to avoid that, guys, is to just make sure that, you're actually going ahead and kind of paraphrasing these ebooks, making it sound like your own thing. Don't just copy and paste everything that you see here, okay? Try and go ahead and actually write things in your own way, put your own twist to things, and just make it your own thing, okay? This is how you're going to be able to go and sell your ebook in so many different platforms without fear of actually, ending up with copyright issues or plagiarism and things of that nature. So a little bit of extra work is still needed at the back end to kind of, make it your own thing and not just go out there and be selling, regurgitated fluff from the internet. Nobody wants that, okay? You want to make your content as high quality as possible and as unique as possible. So once you have your content ready to go, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually write out that content in the form of an ebook or a PDF file, okay? And we are going to be using Google Drive for this example. So now you can use Canva, but I prefer using Google Drive because it's just easier for me to do things like formatting using Google Drive. And you just want to go to Google Docs, guys. You can again get a free Google Drive account. Just go to Google. If you already have a Gmail account, you can just go check out your Drive feature or just Google drive.google.com and it should bring you straight to Google Drives, okay? Now, what you want to do is just open a blank Word document, and then all we're literally going to be doing is copying and pasting that information there, and of course, making it your own thing, right? I'm not going to go through every chapter because this could be a potentially long video, but I'm just giving you guys some ideas in terms of how you could format your book. So once you have your ebook created, guys, you want to make sure that you download that ebook as a PDF document, okay? Make sure so if we go back to ChatGPT, and then what we want to do now is just ask them to create 10 catchy ebook title ideas for this book. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us 10 different super amazing ebook titles that we can use for our digital products. So now we have some catchy ebook title ideas. The next thing we want to do, guys, is we want to go to Canva, and then we want to create an ebook cover, okay? Your cover is essentially going to be your marketing billboard when it comes to selling your ebooks. Type in ebook cover. So you can see right here, we have ebook cover template, right? So what we have here is a ton of different done for you ebook cover templates that you could potentially use for your ebooks, okay? And you just want to find one that kind of closely resonates with what you're trying to create your ebook around. So as you can see here, I've got an ebook cover that I've just created that I am going to be using for that ebook. So all I want to do, guys, is go to share, and then I'm just going to download that, guys. I'm going to download it as a PNG file, okay? A great platform that you guys can use to sell your digital product, of course, is Gumroad. It's free, guys, and you can go there and actually upload the PDF files that you've just created. Okay, so if you go to Gumroad, guys, again, you can register with Gumroad for free. This is where you can now start selling your digital products. And now we have a product, guys, ready for sale, up and ready for sale, that was literally created by ChatGPT. Okay, so again, this link here is what you're essentially going to be using to promote your book. You can have that in the link in your bio on Instagram, Facebook, just whatever platforms you're using, TikTok, to send people there to buy your products. Okay, now for those of you guys who don't like stress, just like me, and you're looking for the easiest way, guys, to start making money with digital products that you never ever have to create yourself, because let's face it, using ChatGPT is great, but you still have to go through a little bit of formatting and things of that nature to make your book ready for sale. So if you guys are looking for the shortcut, I'm talking about ready-made, done for you digital products that have already been created created for you by experts. You're legally allowed to go out there and resell it as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, then you really want to check out this platform, Digital World Flippers. Now, Digital World Flippers is a platform that provides you with done-for-you digital products that you can actually resell as your own, charge your own prices, put your own brand into it, and keep 100% profit, guys. And all these products have already been done for you, and you're basically saving yourself that extra stress of having to go through the ChatGPT prompts, trying to create everything, trying to paraphrase things, and kind of make things your own, which can be pretty time consuming, to be honest. You can just come on here and just search for a product in any niche of your choice. If you were in the wedding niche, for example, we can just do wedding, and it's going to bring up all the different products around wedding. If you're into aromatherapy or essential oils, you can see right here, there's a ton of different done for you guys ebooks that have already been created for you guys. You only have to pay $10 for that product. Also, you can go out there and start reselling this thing for like $17 plus, charge your own prices, and then keep 100% profits, guys. Like, this is an amazing way to start making money with digital products that you never ever had to create yourself from scratch. Okay, so of course you can use the ChatGPT strategy I just showed you to kind of create your own products yourself and do all the formatting and the editing and things of that nature, or you can save yourself the headaches and the stress and just get a done for you product that has already been created by an expert and that you can now sell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profit. And again, some of these ebooks allow you to edit the content. Some of them allow you to even change the covers. So you can go ahead and actually create your own cover images, which means you're not going to be looking like everybody else out here who's trying to sell the exact same product. So it's just a great way to brand yourself out there and stand out from the crowd. Okay. And not only do you get the digital products, guys, you can also get a done for you website. Okay. Now, although there's different platforms like Etsy, Amazon that you can use to sell your digital products, what's even better is selling your digital products on your own website. Why? Because what you can now do, guys, is you can run ads, right, and attract customers much, much faster. If you're using a platform like Amazon or Etsy, it's impossible for you to run things like Facebook ads. I'm sending people to those platforms because you don't own those platforms, right? And not only that, there's a lot of competition on a lot of third-party platforms, which means you're going to be competing with other people who are selling similar products in your niche, which can make it very difficult for you to stand out and start attracting those sales faster. But when you have a website, guys, that allows you to sell your digital products, you can make money much, much faster by running ads. And not only that, you can generate other streams of income, guys, beyond just selling digital products. So let's take a look at this juicing website, for example. As you can see right here, this is a juicing website that has already been created. It comes preloaded with, you can see there's even blog posts and articles here, guys, that can actually help you rank at the top of the Google search engine. Not only that, there's ebooks here around juicing, guys, that you can actually start selling right away. They've already been created for you, and this all come preloaded on the website. You're basically getting your digital product business built for you. Okay, and you can start making money from these products. Not only that, there's other things like affiliate products here. This is an affiliate product, for example. As you can see, it takes you to an affiliate website, right? So you're able to make money, guys, not just selling your own digital products, but there's other ways to make money now from things like affiliate marketing. You can have blog post search engine. You can even go as far as making money with things like Google AdSense. You have your funnels. You can build your email list. This is, again, the benefit of having your own website that allows you to not only sell digital products, but also generate multiple streams of income from affiliate marketing and actually doing other things that you wish to do, guys. Okay. Now, what we are going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be using ChatGPT again to generate us some content ideas that we can use to promote our new ebook. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to paste this prompt. I already have it copied. So you can just take a screenshot or copy the prompt yourself and just change that, text to your own target audience and, transformation that you're trying to help them achieve. We're going to do a search. Okay, as you can see right here, ChatGPT has basically given us 10 frustrations, 10 desires, and 10 fears that millennials are commonly experiencing right now when trying to lose weight. Here's the beauty about the strategy, guys. When you are selling from the perspective of actually tackling people's frustrations, their pain points, their desires, and their fears, guess what? It becomes easier for you to sell your products. This is what so many people are not doing, right? Everyone's telling you to create an ebook, but no one is telling you how to market your ebooks and actually generate those sales. But when you start creating content based on the transformation that someone's going to get, right? Or just talking to their pain points and their fears, connecting with them at that level, it becomes easier for you to create content that actually makes money, okay? Now we have this content ideas. We're going to go ahead again and ask ChatGPT to create us some hooks, right? Because what we want to be doing is we want to be marketing this ebook using Instagram and Facebook Reels, TikTok videos, just any short form video content, because that's what's actually ranking at the top of, social media platforms right now. That's the type of content that is being pushed out now on social media. So we want to start creating all those amazing Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, TikTok. In fact, you can use this video on any social media platforms that allows short video content, right? So we're going to get ChatGPT to generate some hooks that we can now use to attract all those frustrated millennials out there, right? That are looking to lose weight and they don't know the best way to do it. So you can see right here, we've got some amazing hooks being generated right now, as you can see. So now, these are content ideas, guys, that you can use to create Instagram Reels. Frustrated with slow progress in your weight loss journey? Let's talk about, sustainable strategies. And what you can do, guys, is you can go ahead and, even make some changes. So I can even change that to, let's talk about, the best strategy to lose weight, right? Or here's the best way to lose weight. And then you can send them to the link in your bio, or to read your caption, then send them to the link in your bio to check out your Juicing for Millennials ebook. So now we've used this to hook them, guys, to stop them from scrolling on social media to actually checking out our content. That's what a hook is all about, right? Shake things up, right? Tempted by unhealthy foods, wondering how to eat healthy on a budget, right? It's not tackling all those pain points that the millennials are potentially going through right now. Struggling with emotional eating, lack of motivation to exercise, dealing with body. Listen, this can actually stop someone who is going through the process of trying to lose weight, right? To check out your content. And then, you're basically telling them your ebook is the cure. It's got the secret sauce to losing that weight, right? So now we have this hooks, guys. What you want to do is you want to create Instagram Reels. And this is how you're able to, guys, make money using ChatGPT. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Now, this all sounds good. This is a great way to make money online. But how do you go on to market your business, to get customers, to get traffic, and ultimately generate sales in your business? Now, if you need more in-depth help marketing your business, driving traffic, and getting sales to your business, I've actually created a weekly marketing system where I literally share with you guys weekly marketing tips and strategies to help you drive sales. I'm talking about all my secret nuggets, guys, more in-depth, that can help you generate endless leads, endless customers, and endless sales to your business. This is a weekly marketing system that runs for an entire year, and you can join anytime, guys. And here's the best part: you can get started today for just $1 for your first month, okay? $1 for a month. That's 4 weeks of marketing strategies that can help you get customers and sales to your business. So if you guys are interested in getting more customers, getting more sales, and making that money, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can get started today for just $1, like I said, and that grants you access to weekly marketing strategies every single week for an entire year, for as long as you remain a member, of course. So I'm going to leave the dates below this video if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.